The first round that goes 4 to 5 minutes. Examiner will ask some familiar questions to you. Okay. My name is Arman Verma. Could you please tell me your full name
My name is Sharvari Patil.
and what shall I call you?
Sharvari.
Where are you from?
I am from Surat, Gujarat.
Do you work or study?
Uh, as I am working in a school as a teacher.
Well, let's talk about your hometown. Can you describe your hometown?
Yes, I am living in Surat. It is located on the bank of River Tapi. It is famous for its food, uh, and it is also known as a textile city and diamond city.
Good. Where is your hometown located?
Basically, I'm from Surat only. My born and I have born in Surat itself, so I can say it's like uh,
It is located. It is
it,
located at the bank of
it is
Rapti
located.
River.
Yeah, it is
Yeah.
located on the bank of River Tapi. Uh,
Mm, west part of India, or you say something else like 50 or 100 kilometers away from Ahmedabad.
it is uh, 300 miles away from Gandhinagar, which is the capital of Gujarat.
Yes.
And
So, but lot of how can you speak then? I'm here asking you to speak something so that you can be quite comfortable. Okay, I'll ask you another questions. Don't worry. Wait.
sir, this Surat, you are asking me the hometown. Then at
Hmm.
that day, you were telling you are repeating Surat, Surat again. So which word I have to tell? Like eat, there. I have to use such.
Huh. That you told that Surat is a beautiful city. The first sentence. The second, Surat is also you say it is also known for. So either you have to say the second word. It is also known for the
Okay,
diamond city.
okay.
The next time, whenever you say, you try to speak, you try to use pronoun.
Puran, okay.
Okay, tell me, what do you do in your free time?
Uh, as in free time, I just I do net surfing because as I want to go to Canada, so I just see that I want to.
Think about what do you do. People watch movies, listen to music. Okay,
I was
so
copying Yogita, but in free time I do, actually that day she was speaking that thing, so I was just copying her. To be very honest,
but
uh,
you should not copy. First, you think about yourself, what you are doing in your free time. If you ask me, sir, what do you do in your free time? I say I like driving. So most of the time I go outside. Also, I like listening to music. Whenever I listen to music,
as
I
my
always
free
feel
time,
comfortable. Yeah, this is the way. Try to speak.
free time I listen music because it's my comfort zone to listen music,
Yes.
and listening music makes me, it gives me a peace. So I like to listen music, and
It also
on other
enhances my
hand I can.
concentration.
Yes, on other hand, I do yogas in evening if I'm free, and I do cycling also in my free time.
When you this is better, no, this is better than yogita. You do not compare yourself with yogita. You compare yourself. Always try to think what you are, and when you try to give some variety of your speaking, suppose what you do, if you are having 2 or 3 different interests. So first time you say I love doing yoga, second I like, okay, listening to
And
music. So how, suppose if once we have spoken that I like doing yoga, whenever I get my free time, I feel relaxed. On the contrary, sometimes whenever I'm free, I love, or I'm crazy about listening to music. So I'm crazy about, I'm fond of, I like, I love. Do not repeat the words if you have already spoken that I like doing yoga the second time, and also I like to listen to music. So better change that like that thing.
Yes.
Okay. Now I would ask you another questions. Be ready. Again, I'm asking you whatever you are, express yourself. Now, again, I'm asking some question from hometown. Okay. So, has your hometown changed since you were a child?
Yes, my hometown has changed a lot. When I was child, at that time I have never seen that bridge. Like bridge were not there when I was child. But as I've grown up, I've seen that there are so many bridge, and after that, my city's name has also changed. That is Bridge City. Also, we people are calling. So this change I can see. Um,
Okay. So bridge, there are many bridges. No, there are many bridges. And you
Bridge.
you link this word with infrastructures. Yeah, of course, it has been changed. When I was a child, so I couldn't see okay most of the bridges around my city. But recently I visited to my city and I found there are a wave of the bridges. You find out in terms of what electricity, in terms of multinational company, in terms of the agriculture. Yeah, of course, agriculture. There are a lot of changes that I found in agriculture. Earlier, farmers used to plow the field with animals, but right now it
And
means they have their own tractors and
tractors.
some machines, some automatic machines, which is quite useful for irrigations. So
Yes.
when you say,
Or
ag-
farmers were doing, I don't know. Nowadays, a sprinkle system is also there in farming,
yes,
so that it's very easy to
yeah. So
farmer.
when you start speaking about
Sir,
agriculture, look,
actually, I know, but
uh-huh.
I can't speak. I
So that's why I'm saying why I have called you, that you should be comfortable how you are speaking right now, though you have not organized your sentences, but you are speaking right now, no? So first you feel that whatever you are, and suppose if you're talking about agriculture, related words are what? Like irrigation, plow the field, farmers, okay, machinery.